If you want to enable or disable the flashlight on OPPO Find X9, what you can do is, for example, you can go to the control center or quick settings, and over here you can find the torch, which can be easily enabled and disabled just by tapping on this button. And if you tap on the text, you can even adjust the brightness of the torch like this. Besides that, if you open settings and go to accessibility and convenience, then over here we're gonna go to the gestures and motions. Then over here in the screen of gestures we have this option to draw a V to toggle the torch. So when the screen is off, you can draw the V shape in order to quickly enable and disable the torch. Besides that, in the gestures and motions, we can also find this option, turn on off torch with volume button. So when the screen is off, you can press and hold the volume down button to enable or disable the volume button if the media playback is not being used. And also we have a shake to launch, which can also be used for the flashlight, so you can shake your phone twice in order to toggle the flashlight. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.